This is a T-fal Actifry. I bought it a couple months ago for a considerable discount.
Nice.
And this is a magazine filled to the brim with air fryer recipes. There is, however, one problem. These recipes are designed for air fryers with stationary baskets. The Actifryer, however, has a rotating paddle to keep things from sticking. The question is, can you cook these recipes in an Actifry? Damn it. This is the part of the recipe where they ask you to preheat your fryer, but let's take a look. Oh dear. That's about what I was expecting. Oh jeez. Fair enough, I probably didn't put that much cheese in the sticks to begin with. You would not be served this in a restaurant under any name. I messed up the presentation, but it actually tastes pretty good. Oh wow. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, feel free to leave something down in the comments, like and subscribe.